Today, we're going to show you how to easily download and install Visual Studio Code on your Windows 11 PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Visual Studio Code website at code.visualstudio.com. Then, click the large Download for Windows button, and the installer will start downloading automatically. Once the installer has downloaded, simply click on it to begin the installation process. Now, accept the license agreement and click Next to continue. Here, you can choose the installation folder, but the default location is fine, so just hit Next again. Now, you'll see some options. If you want a desktop shortcut, check this box, but I'll skip it. Also, make sure Add to Path is checked to easily launch Visual Studio Code from the command line. Then, click Next. Now, click Install and wait for the process to complete. It only takes a minute. Once installed, click Finish and Visual Studio Code will open automatically. That's it. You've successfully installed Visual Studio Code on your PC. To learn how to set it up, click the video here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.